It may be cold here, but no matter how low the temperature drops, you can always find a place to get warm. You can't ignore the winter breeze of Helsinki, but it doesn't mean that you have to freeze. People here are masters in surviving cold. They make it look like another city attraction. Even if you don't like reading, you won't miss this library. It's just a warm and cozy place to be, especially during freezing winter days. Another hidden shelter is built with the help of nature, but actually it's a church. You don't have to be religious to smell humid stone or to hear how beautiful the organ sounds. This church is not trying to compete with nature, it embraces it. On the contrary, this huge cathedral stands out and doesn't represent nature-friendly Finnish style. It's because it was built by Russian Empire, which occupied Finland. Luckily, it didn't last for long. To protect the city from future invasions, a fortress was built on the islands nearby. To get there, we take a ferry. Strolling along the shores, let's not forget that the main attraction here is the fortress. Built in the mid of 18th century, the fortress stands as a testament to Finland's rich history and strategic importance. It has been designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's not hard to see why. Eager to learn more, we found ourselves in history museums of the islands. It's hard to imagine how many armies these islands have seen. Someone always tried to invade this wonderful place, but a small and heroic country stood against invaders. And the place that can tell us more about these courageous people is National Museum. I enjoy interactive museums. And here is the place where touching is not only permitted, but even embraced. Just in a short moment of time, we've seen all seasons, all border changes, all the struggle that this country has endured and got only tougher. It's not clear from the beginning, but later you see that this hotel was actually a prison in the past. It's just remarkable how captivity can be transformed into liberty within the walls of the same building. Finland is a unique example where, despite the cold, wind, long winter and constant struggle throughout the history, the country not only can survive, but even can strive.